you say you're sorry.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. For me introduce myself. My name is Angga Salafi. With NPM 234111012 from Management Class 23C. Here, I will explain and the present material regarding sequence and series. This assessment was created with a aim of fulfilling an assessment in the Business Mathematics course with the lecturer Mr. Ade Chandra SMMM. Okay, everyone. Next to the point of 1. Sequence and series. Whether are all around us. Join me in this journey to better understand the word of sequence and series. An arithmetic sequence in a sequence or sequence of the number that has a fixed difference. For example, as at the numbers that is fixed difference. For example, as the opening of the article, namely the sequence of number 1 and 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. If you pay attention, the difference between the number is always the same, namely 2. The difference in arithmetic sequence is called the difference of the expression. Mathematically as B. Number what make up in sequence is the sequence is called a term on express as on. For example 1 is term or UI 3 second term and U2 5 third term U3 and so on. Meanwhile, the first of term or U1 in the sequence is expressed mathematically as a. Okay guys, next to the point of 2. The definition of sequence. What is the sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers that follow a certain pattern or rules. Each number in the sequence is the called of pattern. Ordered list all elements. This order in the list is the very important, and as element has a specific position or index in the list. Number 8 sequence can be derived from various number set such even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, and etc. Okay guys, next to the point of 3. Arithmetic sequence. Number 1. Definition. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each term is opened by adding a fixed value to the previous term. Number 2, formula. The normal term of the arithmetic sequence is given by n 1 plus or n mean 1 d, where 1 is the first term, d is the common difference, and is the different numbers. Example number 3. Some example of arithmetic sequence includes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 3, 7, 11, 15, 18, and all of the so. Number 4. Application. Arithmetica sequence are commonly used in financing for finance, for the calculating interest rates and description of the depreciation of asset. Okay guys, next to the point of 4. Geometric sequence. Number 1. Definition. A geometric sequence is a sequence where each a term of every by multiplying the previous term by a fixed value. Number 2. Formula. The normal term of a geometric sequence is given by a 1 real 1, where a 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, and is the term number. Explain. Example. Some example of the geometric sequence include 3, 6, 12, 30, 40, and 48, and 18, 9, and to the so on. The Fibonacci sequence. Number 1. Definition. The Fibonacci sequence is the sequence of the number where each term is the sum of the previous two terms. Number 2 is formula. The term of the Fibonacci sequence is given by. Example. Fibonacci sequence start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 23, and 21, 34, and 55. Application. The Fibonacci sequence appears naturally in various phenomena such as the cell shapes, flower petals, and the even branching of the trees. Sum of a sequence. Arithmetic sum. The arithmetic sums a sequence is the total of the all terms of the arithmetic sequence. Geometric sum. The geometric sum of a sequence is the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence up to specific term. Infinite series. And the infinite series is the sum of the infinite sequence of the numbers. Okay guys, this last of my presentation, this material sequence. Importance. Sequence have the important is every very field of the study. including finance, physics, and computer science application. Real-life phenomena can be explained using sequence and their properties. Continuity of the learning. Understanding sequence is the crucial aspect in the learning journey of mathematics. It is simple of the sequence. It still a sequence of numbers, but for a series in already an operation of the ending the numbers. In terms of the formula, it is also different. The sequence formula is used to determine the term of the pattern of arithmetic numbers, while series formula are used to determine the result of the adding time of arithmetical numbers. Arithmetic sequence formula are usually used to determine the term of the sequence. Meanwhile, the series formula is used to calculate the number of n terms in the certain range. That is why the formula for sequence and arithmetic series are different. Okay everyone, my friend, maybe that's all I can say about the sequence and series. If there are wrong words from me or my word hurt my colleagues, and apologize and ask Allah for forgiving us. And friend, do you have any question? If you want to ask question, please leave a comment below. Okay, that's enough, and I think enough. And the last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Motherfucker.